Hi there, good day. This is Ed and welcome to my YouTube channel, Stocks DIY. And today I will show you another company that is offering another share purchase plan. So I'm going to my email. So here it is. So I received an email from Sharesies. So it's about the share purchase plan from IFT or Infratil Limited. Okay. So here is the lowdown. So Infratil Limited are making some changes to their shares, also known as corporate action. The corporate action they've announced as called a share purchase plan. So right now they are saying the price of stock will be 4.76 New Zealand dollars or less. So it depends on the average between 19th to 25th of June. So if it is lower than $4.76, then they will discount by 2.5%. But if it is higher, then they will use the $4.76 as the price of the per share of the stock. So there's a minimum of $4.76 cents, and the maximum is $50,000. So Infratil is how do you call it? Let me see here. Okay, so base here it is handling some companies. So stocks of some companies like Trust Power, Tilt Renewables, Long Road, and also another one here is Vodafone. So I think Vodafone is not listed in NZX, but if you want to have like stocks related to Vodafone, then you can also invest in Infratil. Okay, all right. So right now it is showing $4.86, and if this one stays that way, or the average is $4.86, then the purchase price for the share purchase plan is $4.76. That will be 10 cents lower. But if, for example, in this case like a $4.75, so if this happened like the average is $4.75, then it will be 2.5% less. In this case, I have purchased like last time about this point, $5.24, and keeps on going down. Probably I can invest some more here to offset the loss on this one. And I know you can see from the previous graph, 1 year and 5 years, see it's going up. So I think this is also a good long-term investment. So I'll go back to my email. So here I can apply for the share purchase plan. So this is the application form. So the deadline is Tuesday, June 23, and right now while I'm doing this video, it is 22nd of June, so it's still possible to do application. So here it is. So Infratil Limited share purchase plan. So I held share before on the 4th of June, then I'm eligible to join. Okay, so I think I just invest just a small amount, $50, but that's because I have invested $50 before, so now I will add another $50, then see these informations. So it's bound by the Infratil share purchase plan, and one thing good about this one is I know there is no I think, where is it, based on the email, there is no there is no transaction fee from Sharesies, so that will be no deduction of 0.5%. Okay, so I'm going back here and I will do submit my application, then hopefully I can get just for $50. Okay. right now I have some cash in my wallet, so it's possible to purchase this one. Submit. So okay, you've applied for the Infratil limited share purchase plan. So next you'll need to top up the Sharesies wallet. So I have a $50 already there, so it should be alright. So I'll just wait for the confirmation on my application for this share purchase. Okay, so that's it for this Infratil share purchase plan. And again, please subscribe to my channel for more of these updates on my Sharesies portfolio. So again, this is Ed, and thank you for watching.